Apaka-OA.
Ay, yung isang kamay.
Naka-pink yung isang kamay. Water pump. This is how we have the water here in the farm. Water pump. See? Look at that. This is the water pump. See? Then the water goes there. Yeah. You see the water system. Look at this. This is water now. See, natural water system. I'll show you the water system here in the farm. Then I'm going to swim. We have the swimming pool here. See? Look at that. Look. See? This is clean and natural water. Look at that. See it? Wow. Then, oh, we have the swimming pool. See? Maliligo kami. See? Yehey! Akin na upuan. Naakit ako. Na ako doon.
Ayun na!
Diba? Tubig. Hey! Maliligo ako dito. Huwag mo ako nakalayan, no? Sana may tubig dito sa lalim.
Okay, nakuha yan, oh. May butandeng.
Balyena!
Butandeng.
Oh, saan ka tubig? Hindi ka maliligo. Diba? Oh, diba? Tubig ako. Mapupuno to, malulunod ka tayo. Hangin na. Meron akong exclusive swimming pool. Floating na ako. Ginawa sa gumahon. Diba? Sarap maliligo. Ay, nagsikuya kita. Maliligo.